Hi, I'm Jim Guidis with CJS Electric. Today we're going to show you how to replace a ceiling mounted pull chain light fixture. Tools you're going to need. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, side cutters, a voltage tester. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure the power is off, and we'll go back to the electrical panel and make sure that the breaker's off. Secondly, now that we've turned the power off, we want to make sure that we take the bulb down first. We unscrew the bulb. Secondly, you want to use your screwdriver. In this case, again, it's a Phillips. Pull the fixture down, and again, in this situation here, we have two wires. There's a white and a black. You want to take your Phillips again and undo the screw counterclockwise, and the other screw counterclockwise. Yeah, you want to do is unscrew it counterclockwise here. Take off the black and take off the white wire. Okay, we have a new pull chain fixture we're going to put in here. Again, two colors, two screws. One's got a darker brass color to it, the other's a lighter color. The other lighter screw always will use the white wire, which is the neutral wire. And it has a little hook on there. You want to make sure when you put it in, it goes in with the screw, so it turns the same clockwise in with the screw, so it makes a good, tight, secure connection. You want to do that is tighten it in there. Make sure it's tight, give it a little tug. Same thing with the black one. The hooks are going with clockwise with it, so it's in a tight position. So next thing you want to do is tuck in the wires. Make sure the wires get all tucked up real nicely in there. Get the screw. Start the screw in the fixture box. There's a little hole in here that actually gives you a little starter where you could switch it in there. Take the light bulb. Okay, install the light bulb. And that's how you repair a ceiling pull chain fixture. I'm Jim Guidis with CJS Electric. Thanks for watching.